I love it.
Girl, I'm feeling this kind of love. Something bust my brain, I can help it. You the only one I need.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new on my channel, my name is Sophia, aka Being Like Me. Today's video is going to be about this beautiful palette, which I'm so excited about. I saw this palette was released. I'm not exactly sure what date. I'll put it on the screen. I'm not sure if that's important or if anyone needs that information, but I do believe it was released about a month ago or so. About a few weeks ago. Well, I was in Nigeria when the palette was released, and I just knew that I had to have it. It's just one of those palettes you just see, even from afar, and you know it's worth the money. Yeah, it's worth the money. The colors in here are so beautiful. Like, it has a nice, range of colors, and it does have lots and lots of glitters, and I think the glitters really drew me to the palette. And the very first one I was really excited about is Cyborg, and that's what I have on my eyes today. You can see it looks amazing, right? Most of the times when I get a palette, there are a few shades in there where I'm like, I don't think I'm ever gonna touch this ever, and I actually do not. But I do feel like each and every eyeshadow in this palette is usable. I feel like they did a really good job. And before we even go into the colors, like, can we take a look at the packaging? Like, this is absolutely amazing. I was drawn to the package. The actual cover is actually just a shimmery, and it's just beautiful. This is my very first Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and I'm glad this is the first one I spent my money on because it's actually worth every dollar. I think I got it for 59 Canadian dollars. Worth it. And when it comes to pigmentation, guys, I don't want to go into so much talk. All the colors are actually very pigmented. I'm not sure if I can swatch some of the glitters here. Show you. Give you a swatch, see that? Looks amazing. And these are the mattes. I'm really bad at swatching. I don't know how to show you. Well, here. These are the matte shades, and they're just as colorful and just as pigmented as the glitter eyeshadows. And the glitter eyeshadows are actually really very easy to use. I pretty much just put on a concealer and I just used a flat brush. I just tapped it onto my eyes. They're very creamy. Yeah, that's a way to describe eyeshadows. They're very they're not like dry and dusty. They're very I was gonna say moist, but we'll say it's moist. But you get what I'm saying. They apply really good. It takes really no effort using this palette, so I highly do recommend it. It does come with a mirror as well, which is necessary in my own opinion. If I'm gonna be paying $59 for a palette, I dare not have to pick up a mirror to use that palette. So all in all, I'm really satisfied with my purchase. I really love this palette. I really want to make a couple more looks, so let me know if you guys are really interested in seeing it or not. Make sure to leave all your comments in the comment section. Let's jump right into the video. Before we go, don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to tap on the bell so you can get notified every time I post a new video. Leave all your comments in the comment section below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I already primed my eyes with some concealer, so I'm just going to go ahead get right into the look because we don't want to be here forever. I'm going to start using a nice fluffy blending brush. Let's get started with Slate. Ooh, okay. And I'm just going to take this above my crease as per usual. I'm just going to top this color up. I feel like the gray is great, but it kind of dulls my face out. So I'm going to add something a little more vibrant. I'm going to go into blue, and I'm just going to take that above Slate. And I'm just going to work it in. Next, I'm going to go ahead and apply some concealer. I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in shade 30. And I'm just going to apply some to my lids, and we're gonna cut the crease. While cutting the crease, I'm just gonna take my concealer a little outward. So I'm gonna have a nice line. That's so good. This glitter shade actually applies perfectly. I didn't have to spritz my brush or anything. Just pretty much dab it onto the concealer and it pretty much just sticks, and there is very little fallout. As you can see on the palette, there's barely anything on there. I was a little bit worried it would be kind of like the Subculture palette, but it's not. I'm just gonna have to switch brushes. I'm gonna use a very pointy brush. I'm gonna apply the same eyeshadow along the line where we have the wing line. I'm just gonna go into the black eyeshadow. This one's called Noir. I'm just gonna take a dark eyeshadow to the end. I'm just gonna try and smoke it out a little bit. And we're just gonna try our best not to get past the line that we created on the wing. Just gonna work it a little bit into the glitter eyeshadow. I'm gonna move on and apply some lashes, and I'm using these lashes by Beauty Lashes. It's a little bit stained. I kind of use them a little bit. And for today, I think I'm gonna be using Crown. I'm gonna go into Noir and just taking an angled brush, and I'm just gonna sweep that up. And I'm taking it underneath my lower lash line. I pretty much just use the same black eyeshadow on the other side. It looks a little bit messy, but we're just gonna smoke it out towards the end, so that's fine. I'm quickly gonna go in with Fresh. And lastly, I'm gonna line my waterline with a black eyeliner pencil. I do feel the need to go back in with Slate. And I'm just gonna dust this underneath my lower lash line, and it's just gonna help blend the black eyeshadow as well. And real quick, we're just gonna apply some mascara to the bottom and top lashes. As for my lipstick, I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty on Button. It's one of the newly released toner lipsticks, and I really did love the first one, the red one. But this one is more of a nudish color. See? I should probably line my lips first, or I'll probably do that last. So this is what the lipstick looks like without a lip liner. Just so you guys get like a really good feel of the color. It's not really my favorite lipstick. I don't really care much about the color. I think it's for me. So far so good. When this lipstick dries up, it is amazing. I was kind of too quick to judge. The lip color is actually bomb. For a nude lipstick, I'll say this is great. And lastly guys, I am just going to set my face, and I'm using my e.l.f. setting spray.